Hi, Bill Rosen again. We're going to spray these resized, cleaned, decapped cases with the little one-shot lube so that we can run them into some dyes and resize them. So the way I do it is I'll just put, 30-40 cases down, spray them down, and then close up the ends of the rags like this. Roll them around, spray them down again, and then I'll set them aside to let that spray degas and dry out a little bit. It dries out pretty quickly, and then I'll do another rag with more cases on it. But all these cases have been done already, so they are actually going into my done bucket. Don't they look pretty? They look wonderful, don't they? I also love ice cream buckets because ice cream buckets are real handy to keep empty cartridge cases in. Now these 5 cases have not been done, and I want to show you the move that I use to help me go through cases much faster. This is a resizing die. This one is a Lee, and I have backed the primer cap or decapping tool completely out of it. Well, out of that area, so I don't use that at all. The thing you want to do is lower your handle so the ram is all the way up. Run your resizing die down till you come in contact with the ram. Now, I should say that the proper size shell holder should be in, and I always turn the shell holder so it's facing this direction. So again, lower your handle so your ram's all the way up. Now that has contacted the resizing die. So then turn the lock ring down so the die stays where it's at. Now I will take a 9mm cartridge, lower the handle, which resizes the case. I also grab a fresh case that has not been resized with my middle finger and my thumb. I reach down here, grab the resized case with my pointer finger and my thumb. The resized case goes in and it starts over. So you can go through these cases fairly quickly. There. Now all the cases have been resized, so I'm going to remove the resizing die. This die is going to put a bell in the case mouth so that when we do put a bullet in, because they're flat based bullets, they're going to be difficult to put in unless you have a bell in the case mouth. So this die will go in just a little ways. Then we'll set up a couple of cases here. We'll take a case, put it in the shell holder, run it all the way up into the die, then we take the die until we turn it down until we feel it contact the top of the case mouth. Now at this point I'm going to lift the handle, which lowers the case down. I'm going to turn this die in. That's a quarter turn, another quarter turn. I'm going to go about 3/4 of a turn, and then I'll check it. Yes, that bell, I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see an ever so slight bell in the case mouth. It doesn't have to be very much. The more you bell your cases, the faster you wear your cases out. So that has got a very slight bell to it at the end there. Like I said, all I did was turn the resize, or the darn die that bells the cases in 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Now what I'm doing is just tightening down the lock ring, because this is where I want this die to stay. So that's it. Take the next one, bell the case, next one, and you go along pretty quickly. So now all these cases have had the case mouths belled, and all we gotta do is go through the rest of them. You know how to set up the resizing die now, the case mouth bell die, you know how to do that. The next thing I'm going to do is probably do some measurements on these cases, and then we're going to put primers in them. After we get primers in them, then we can go ahead and set up the powder flow measurer to drop 4.8 grains of power pistol, which is going to make those 115 grain lead round-nosed moly coated bullets run out of a short barrel, a 3.1 inch barrel, about 950 feet per second on my chronograph. So we'll start up another video later. Thank you for watching.